Okay, in this video we are going to subtract complex numbers and we will do these three problems. And so if you want to pause the video here and attempt them, feel free. So the big idea with adding or subtracting complex numbers is to combine like terms. With subtraction, there's one extra step in that we have to distribute our negative. This negative is going to have to be distributed to this piece and this piece using the distributive property. So we're going to rewrite this as this piece is 6 plus 2i. You can remove the parentheses, so 6 plus 2i. And now when we use the distributive property, this is a positive 4, but we got to distribute this negative, so it becomes negative 4. This is a positive I, but you have a negative right here, and you have to distribute it, so it becomes a negative I. Now we just combine like terms. So all of the real numbers with real numbers. So 6 minus 4 is 2. And then you combine all of the imaginary numbers with the imaginary numbers. So 2i minus 1i, or 2 minus 1 is just 1. But they're both i's, so just a positive I. And that's all you need to do for problems like this. But we're going to do two more problems. Again, we're going to combine like terms. Here there's a negative with a parenthesis, so we have to use the distributive property. So we're going to distribute this negative to this piece and to this piece. Okay, so 9 minus 2i, we can remove the parentheses. We're going to distribute this negative to the 5, so you get negative 5. And negative positive 3i becomes a negative 3i. And at this point, we're going to combine like terms. So 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. And negative 2i and negative 3i. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. So we have negative 5i. And we can box in this answer. Okay, our last problem, same procedure. We have a negative right here. So we're going to have to distribute this negative to both of these pieces using the distributive property. And now same procedure. We can remove the parentheses for this piece, so 1 plus 5i. Now here we have a negative, here we have a negative. A negative is a positive, so it becomes a positive 2. A negative and a positive becomes a negative, so you have negative 3i. And now we're going to combine like terms. So 1 with 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. 5i minus 3i, 5 minus 3 is positive 2. So positive 2i. And so now we can box in this answer. And that's all we need to do to subtract complex numbers.